Next topic for us in this lesson is dispersal of seeds. Okay, dispersal of seeds and fruits. Do you know that seeds as well as fruits have different colors, order, shape as well as taste, and we can see lot of different types of fruits in different taste also. So here some of the agents that is needed for dispersal, for example birds, mammals, reptiles, ant and insect, even earthworm also. Okay, so here the seed is an embryo. Seed consists of an embryo. What is the use of embryo means? To store the food material, as well as the seed is covered by a outer coat that is named as seed coat. Okay, so here the seed dispersal is named as here as an important criteria, and it is helpful for the distribution and establishment of the plants. Okay, so here the seeds as well as fruits carried from the parent plant to the next some other places, and there it takes place, the growth of the plant has been taking place. So the traveling of these plant as well as plant seeds as well as fruits is taken to some other places. So we used to say it as seed dispersal or fruit dispersal. Okay, so it needs some of the ecological factors such as wind, water and animals. Okay, here what is the use of seed dispersal? It is named as regeneration process of plant population. Okay, so here it takes place to improve the plant distribution, okay, in the geographical areas. Okay, so here first we are going to see in this agents is wind, that is it is dispersal by wind. It is named as anemochory. Here individual seeds or even fruit, whole fruit is transferred or modified or carried to some other places. It takes place mostly in tall trees. Here these adaptation will be taking place in different ways. So first one, minute seeds. The seeds are very minute with inflated covering, flattened covering or flattened seeds. Example, very minute seeds is orchid seeds. You can find very minute uh, size of seed. So it can be easily carried out through the wind. Okay. Next one, with the help of wings. So whole fruit or the seed having wing or inflated structure, so it can be carried through the wind. Example, you can say maple as well as gyrocarpus and dipterocarpus terminalia. Okay, so these are easily can be carried out in the wind. Okay, next one, feathery appendages. The seed used to have feathers, hairy or feathery structure on them, so it can be easily carried through the wind. So it has greatly increased their buoyancy to disperse the high altitudes. So they carried out through the wind, float in the wind. Okay, so it can be carried out to some other places. Example, Vernonia and Asclepius. Okay, and next one, sensor mechanism. The fruit is opened when the fruit is given with a violently shakening of the fruit with the help of strong wind. Okay, when the fruits are shaken with the wind, the seeds are dispersed here. Okay, example, you can say Arstosia and poppy. Okay, and next one, dispersal by water. Already we have seen dispersal by wind, anemochory. Here dispersal of water, that is named as hydrochory. Hydro means water. Okay, so here it takes place one in few, it takes place in the growing water or water surface or near the water bodies. Okay, it have apconical receptacle with the help of prominent air spaces. You can see example Neelambo, that is lotus. It have the small air spaces in them. It have the seeds on them. So here it takes place in the water. All the uh, seeds used to float on the water. Okay, so it is named as hydrochory. Another one, for example, coconut. You can see the surface of the coconut is fibrous mesocarp and light pericarp. Mesocarp is fibrous as well as the outer skin layer is pericarp, is very thin and light, so it can be carried out through the water. The seeds cannot be carried themselves, it can be floated only through the water current, and it reaches the seashore, and you can find near the seashore lot of coconut trees, is it or not? So this takes place with the help of water, so it is named as hydrochory. And some of the plants will have light as well as small seeds, so it enclosed through the air and it can be carried. Example, nymphia, that is water lily. And some fruits may be inflated, so it can be easily float on the water. Example, Heritiera litrolis. Okay. And next one, disposal of animals. Animals, it is named as zoochory. Okay. So here first these takes place with the help of animals. So it is a important type of dispersal in fruits as well as seeds. First one, it is hooked fruit. Hooked fruit example you can see xanthium, aristida, and next one androphogin. Okay, so these are all different types of plants that takes place with the help of animals. Dispersal takes place with the help of animals. First one, xanthium, it have the hook like structure on the fruit structure, so it stucks on the animals skin or in the clothes of human, so it takes place, the dispersal takes place. The same thing for spines like structure, easily it sticks on the clothes of or animal furs. Okay, so the dispersal takes place with the help of animals. Okay, next in animals, same thing, they are having sticky fruits as well as seeds. So again, Borhavia as well as Cleum. Borhavia and Cleum. Here the fruits have glandular hairs that can adhere the fur of grazing animals. Fur of grazing animals. When the animals are grazing, it used to stuck on the furs. So here it takes place with the help of animals. And some of the fruits have viscid layer and asterias in the beaks of the birds while eating them, and when they are rubbing on the branches of the trees. Okay, so there the dispersal taking place in the beaks with the help of the beaks of the bird. Example, you can say cardia and alangium. And in fleshy fruits, some fruits are conspicuous colors and dispersed by human after consumption. For example, mango fruits, after eating we will be used to throw it, so easily it's grown, or is by after using also we are making into a plant to grow, so that is named as fleshy fruits, mango and diplocyclosis. This is also one type of fleshy fruit dispersal. Okay, with the help of animals or after animals taking in, it is taken in. Okay, so it is named as animal fruit dispersal. Okay, thank you.